Hey guys, welcome back to kawaiinfriends. So today we're going to be taking this white slime from Target glue, and we took borax and water and mixed it together, and that was our activator. That's how we made this slime. Before we start hopping into this video and making the beach slime, how about we get a quick ASMR? So please bring the camera down here. Okay, if you guys are wondering why we don't have our white cloth right here, it's because we didn't want to use the foil. It was kind of interrupting the ASMR of the slime. So that's why we just made a plain wooden table. So let's start making.
What are we going to do today?
We're going to make a beach themed slime.
What are you going to use? People are probably wondering.
Washable Kids Crazy Art Paint. So they come in these little containers. And this is the box. Okay. And they got a bunch of colors. So I'm going to put them on the table. So these are the colors it comes with. Comes with blue, green, emerald, brown, orange, white, yellow, which comes with a black container.
Or neon.
Yeah. Neon yellow. Purple. Red.
Reddish pink.
Yeah, reddish pink. And it sticks.
Oh, yeah, we don't want to do that.
Yeah, it's funny. And then this is pink. I know for sure, because you can see the difference between these two. So, let's get these all out of the way. Oh my god.
She's just going to basically show you how easy and cheap it is to add the color.
Yeah.
You can just use
you
paint.
don't have to spend your money on like food coloring. I know all you crafters have paint with you guys, so I'm sure that you can use paint, because like it's the same thing. So we're going to split this up into two halves. So this is going to be our water, this part, and this is going to be our sand.
What are you going to use for sand?
I'm going to use this neon yellow.
For sand?
Yep. You had to put a lot to get that neon yellow.
What? I thought you used like a brown for the sand.
Maybe we can mix the two. Right there. That's good. So mix that in and see what color you come up with. If it's like too light or too dark, if it's too dark, add some white, which is what comes into, or add some blue. If it's too light, then add more. I think this is just perfect. I like this color. Kind of like a scrambled egg color, which is what we want.
For the sand?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought sand was brownish tan, but...
And then we can add some brown.
No, I don't want to mess it up.
Let me just add just a tiny bit like that.
Okay.
See where that goes. Hopefully the brown isn't too strong.
I think that should probably be good. Is that making it ugly?
We haven't mixed it all the way in. Oh my god.
I guess it has like a good sand.
Ooh. It made the color better.
Okay.
You see, that's kind of more of a sand color right there. Now, we're going to make the water. So, I have some blue paint over here. And we're just going to mix this in. Oh my god. There you go, that's good enough. Put that off to the side. I'm kind of picturing in like very ocean blue. If you live by the ocean, I'm sorry if I don't get the color right.
Just mixing.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty if you get this type of paint, because it's always washable. Like it's on the container. Okay, I like this pastel blue.
Yeah, that turned out good.
Oh, this could be like a pastel beach or something.
You know what? That kind of reminds me of a little island. Maybe instead of a beach, maybe like it is the beach color. You got it correct. More like an island beach, and you can put the water around it.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know. Is that going to mix the two together? I mean, if
it'll make green.
Yeah, true. So show everybody how you want to do this. Are you going to put the beach up against the water, or the water against the beach?
So I already had. Oh my god.
Come on.
I think we should get sides for this table.
Or you should just do it more in the middle.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take our sand and like roll it up into this little wormy thing, and then I'm gonna take our sand and kind of mold it like that.
What if you put the sand like one big like island and you dump the water into it? Would it be like a weird effect, or it would mess up everything, right?
I'm gonna change of plans. I'm gonna make like an island, like he said.
I guess it's an island. I don't know. It could be sand. I was just picturing an island in the middle of the ocean. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right.
Let's try it.
I don't want. Let me zoom in. People can see. Is that like an island?
Yeah, kinda.
It's kind of melting.
It looks like blue eggs.
Yeah, or something. I don't know what's going on with that. I can see.
You see?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
I like it.
Yeah, it actually turned out really well. Now, can you separate it, or it's pretty much done?
It's pretty much done.
Oh, wow.
I think the green. So I like this pastel beach. I really like it.
Okay, let's
Do
you want to mix it and see what happens?
Mhm.
Of course, everybody wants to probably see it be mixed.
Okay, like zoom.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
That looks so cool.
Wow. Okay, it's pretty cool.
Oh, just look at this right now. It looks kind of like
Cotton candy, maybe?
marbled.
Yeah, marbled. Yeah, I thought cotton candy, but maybe not.
It's turning into this pretty color.
Actually, it did turn out really well. I think the brown really helped.
Looks like an emerald color. Okay, I really like this color, how it turned out.
Yeah, that was pretty successful. It looked like a beach with water on the outer edge, and then you mixed it. It had it matches your shirt color and your hairband color.
Oh yeah.
What a coincidence today. It's kind of like a color coordination thing going on. We didn't even plan for that either.
Yeah, we just
wanted to show how easy it was to
Yeah.
just take cheap crazy art color and mix it in, and you can really turn out successful looking slime.
Yeah, so I think you only need a little bit for pastel. If you want to make like the color very dark like it shows on the bottle, then you would have to add like a lot. So
yeah.
So kind of like mix it in, like put a little bit, mix it in, put a little bit, mix it in. If you're still not happy, add a little bit more.
It's pretty much just a quick tutorial showing everybody how easy it is, but do you want to try to, well, I don't know, we don't really have a lot of room for a big bubble here, do we? No. We don't want to get it on the carpet. We have carpet below, so that would be like a...
Oh yeah, guys, here's one more thing. If you're either going to get food coloring, you get less colors.
Yeah,
it's smaller.
Unless you get the ones on Amazon, they have quite a good range, I would think, but we never tried it. But so far, the paints have been pretty good. But pretty much, that's going to wrap this video up. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, share, hit the bell notification, and all that good stuff. And all right, anything else?